Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your 2018 Toyota Corolla CE with the CVT. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a stunning slate metallic color. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 15-inch wheels. You also have your power adjustable side mirrors as well as your fully automatic headlights and your pre-collision sensor hidden beneath your front bumper. But why don't we head on inside and take a look at the interior features. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy set of keys. Opening it up now. Really great sporty interior right off the bat. On the side you see your black trim as well as your power windows and your power locks. Some storage on the bottom there as well as your power adjustable side mirrors can be accessed from there. Of course, you have your full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean when things start getting messy out there. And these really great two-tone gray soft interiors all throughout that really just add that sporty touch to everything. But why don't we hop on in and start it up? Starting up your Corolla is nice and easy. Simply put that key into the ignition. That really great dashboard's going to light up with that really sporty ambient lighting. You have all your gauges and your mileage. We have this really great sporty trim on your steering wheel, as well as all your steering wheel mounted controls, like your hands-free calling, your volume control and your mode changers, as well as your lane departure alert and your dynamic radar cruise control as part of your Toyota safety sense. Below here you can set your cruise control. And taking a look at your awesome 6.1-inch LCD screen. You're fully set up with your AM/FM radio as well as with your plugins. You have your USB and auxiliary input. Your CD player is on top here, and with your hands-free calling you have your Bluetooth audio. Below we have these stylish chrome knobs for your climate control, and that AC option will definitely come in handy on those hot summer months in Alberta. You have your 12-volt DC charger underneath, as well as your USB and auxiliary input with plenty of storage below. Here we're seeing all of that leather trim and chrome detailing on your shift knob and on your parking brake. With your cup holders, these pieces do come in and out so that it's easy to clean, and you have your traction control option there. With your center console you have your top shelf for any smaller items and plenty of storage space below with a removable mat, so it's nice and easy to keep clean there. Taking a look at your glove box now, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla. And we have those really stylish fans that come together with the leather trim on the top of your dash. Plenty of sporty things happening inside your Corolla, but why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Plenty of space to store everything you need in your vehicle, as well as this handy hardcover, which underneath has all your tools and your jacks and your spare tire in case anything does happen. And you have your handy cargo lamp so that you can see everything that you're storing. You also do have your emergency release from the inside. Closing it up now, we'll take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla CE with the CVT. You have your active lane departure alert with your steering assist and your brake assist as well, all part of your Toyota Safety Sense suite. to make sure that you're driving away nice and comfortable. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video, and until I see you next time, drive safe.